I'm trying to fix a computer box here that is not switching on, and after I connect the power, it just shows blank screen. So what we do here, we switch it off when it cools down, and then to restart again. So you hear a beep, then it's gonna display. Once it display that, now you wait, it just does again that, then it shows that one again, and now you wait for a little bit. It is keeping on restarting. So what do we do here? I'll show you what we do here. I'll show you now how we fix this. Now I have opened, I've taken out the CMOS battery. Here it is. And then what I want to do BIOS reset. There's a jumper here next to the CMOS socket, CMOS battery socket here. You short pin 1, pin 2 and 3 for 3 to 5 minutes. And then you make sure you disconnect the power. Make sure you take out the fan and take out the CPU. After 5 minutes, you assemble everything back, and then you connect the system. And then you wait and see if it's gonna work. If it doesn't work, I'll show you what next.